चलो. So thermodynamics. Okay.
Yes.
Moment we come. See, this is also very important topic for advanced examination. Very, very important, and it is also having a good weightage for the advanced examination. So concept clarity is very much required, and practice is also very much required to increase the speed and as well as of your accuracy. And in this one, calculations is also a little bit tricky and funny also. So you need to take a little bit care of your calculation spot also for the given topic. Especially the questions based on this one is like an heat rejection process and general processes kind of question ఉంటుంది. Otherwise, the basic area in which the questions will be asked in the thermodynamics is on your heat engines. One of the again favorite area both for the mains and as well as of your advanced examinations part of relation. Generally, processes will be getting number of your questions. Anyhow, let me start with your thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics better. I'll just roughly ask you some basic questions. Let me see how far we can really recollect the basic knowledge better. Like say for example, I'm having a container like this. Say for example, this is your container. And this container is been having a piston connected to this one. And to this piston, there is a spring which is been connected to this one. And this is somewhere here, it is fixed. Spring constant of this one is K, and this is filled with your gas. This is filled with your gas particulation. And along with that one, I've been attaching certain amount of an heater for this one. Like say, for example, there is an heater through which certain amount of your heat energy can be given by the different processes. Okay. Now this is the basic setting better. Some gas, I don't know whether it may be mono, di, tri, what it may be. I'm just talking about some gas. Or say, for example, an ideal gas has been present in the given situation. And this is your heater. And through this heater, like say, for example, if I'm giving you the heat for this one. So if I'm giving you the heat, that is nothing but of your what? dQ or delta Q, whatever it may be. Now, moment I give the heat to this coil, what is happening better? The temperature of the coil is increasing because it is getting heated up.
Yes, sir.
So when it is getting heated up, the temperature of the coil is getting heated up. Because of the temperature of the coil, the gas which is being present in that one, what is happening? The collision between them, the interatomic collisions right now between them is tremendously increasing. Like before heating, like say they might have been colliding very slowly internally basically. The moment you have been applying the heater for this one, and because of the temperature, what is exactly happening in the container right now? Temperature.
Yes, sir.
Now, because of the temperature increase, what is happening to the kinetic energy of these molecules? It is randomly exactly increasing. That means that kinetic energy of these molecules are increasing because of the heat supply, isn't it? Now, what is happening because of this kinetic energy? Because this all will be exerting, because each particle is a very, very, very small particle, isn't it? Now, that number of, like say, a large number of your molecules, when they are exerting certain amount of the pressure on this piston, what is happening to this piston better? Can you tell me? What is happening to this piston? There is a probability that that piston might be moving in the front direction.
Yes, sir.
So the piston is moving in the front direction because of what? The kinetic energy of the gas molecules is exerting the pressure on that part, isn't it? So once the piston is moving, what is happening to the energy in the spring better? What type of energy has been stored in the, what do you call that one, spring? Potential energy.
Potential, yes.
So now tell me what happens to the potential energy. Is it increasing or decreasing?
It will
potential energy. What is happening to the
will
increases because when you compress the spring, the moment you are removing your external force, what is happening? Whatever the body has been present on that one, that will be going with a very huge speed.
Yes, sir.
That means I can say that both kinetic energy and potential energy is being increasing because of what? The heat supplied by you. The heat supplied by you for the given condition. That means when you are supplying the heat, because of the temperature, first the internal energy of the gas is increasing. Is that first point clear for us?
Yes, sir.
And because of that internal energy, the work is been done on the spring. That work is been done on the spring. That is your first law of thermodynamics. That what it says right now for me, dQ is equals to your that amount of energy, whatever you are giving, the gas is been utilizing that energy in the two parts. One part is to increase its potential energy. That is nothing but if your internal energy, what we call, that is nothing but du. Plus along with that one, work done. It is also doing certain amount of your work done. So this is your first law of your thermodynamics. Delta Q or dQ is equals to your du plus of your dW. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I'm talking about your gas molecules, beta, whatever the gas molecules, whatever the conditions I'm taking right now. So delta U is nothing but what, beta? Change in your internal energy. Delta U is nothing but change in internal energy. And dW is nothing but what? Work done by the gas. This is nothing but of your work done by your gas, I can say. And du is nothing but what, beta? Change in internal energy. Change in your internal energy. Change in your internal energy. Now see, you already in kinetic theory of gases, you know that change in internal energy is given by the formula F by 2 into Nr into your delta T. Gurtunda? Isn't it? Du also
Yes.
du. This is nothing but of your delta U will write here otherwise because I have taken their delta T kabatti. So delta U is equals to your F by 2 Nr into your du, or else I can write here du is equals to your how much will be F by 2 Nr into your dt. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Now, work done by the gas will be equal to how much, beta? Work done by your gas will be equal to, what is the formula, beta? Work done by the gas. I hope you remember this one. That is integral of your pressure exerted by your gas into change in volume.
Yes.
So this is the basic things you need to remember for doing the problems related to the first law of your thermodynamics. This is only the things you need to remember. Du is equals to F by 2 nRT. Work done by the gas will be equal to integral of the pressure exerted by the gas into dV. And the first law of thermodynamics is, I can say, now dQ is equals to du plus dW. That means, can I say that, is it obeying the law of conservation of your energy, beta? So I can say that it depends upon what, beta? Law of conservation of energy.
Yes.
Law of conservation of energy. That means we can apply a lot of concept related to the mechanics also here in this given concept. So I hope you're clear about this one, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that was about your basic things you need to remember in your first law of your thermodynamics, first law of your thermodynamics part of relation. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt
Yes,
in
sir.
this part?
No.
Pakka?
Sir, what is F here, sir?
What is?
F here, sir.
F is your number of degrees of freedom. F is nothing but what for me? Degrees of your freedom. Isn't it? N is your
Yes, sir.
number of moles. N is your number of moles. R is nothing but what, beta? Universal gas constant.
6.
Universal gas constant. And delta T is as usual, you know, rise in temperature. Rise in temperature part of relation. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Zeroth law of thermodynamics is the basic thing here, which is, I hope roughly you have an idea related to that one. So I'm not going to do much of related to any condition. Now, if I'm talking about the sign convention, this is something again very important for this. If I'm talking about your sign convention, see here. First one. Say for example, if heat is supplied, now from the diagram also you can see, if heat is supplied, then delta Q will be equal to how much, beta? Delta Q will be equal to how much? Delta Q is equals to what? Positive,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? If you are
Yes, sir.
supplying heat, delta Q will be your positive. If heat is being given to the system,
Negative.
only if I write, if heat is rejected, if I take, I can say, isn't it? If heat is
Yes,
being,
sir.
so at that time delta Q will be negative. Delta Q will be your negative, isn't it? In the first case. Second one,
Yes.
if gas does the work, if gas does work, isn't it?
Negative.
Volume of gas is increasing.
Yes.
Volume of gas is increasing. If volume
Yes.
of gas is being increasing, then what happens to the work done, beta? Delta W will be your positive.
Positive.
W will be your positive. In this one only same, if work is done on the gas, if work is done on the gas, that means volume of gas decreases. Volume of the gas is decreasing. If volume of the gas is been decreasing, then work done will be equal to how much, beta? Delta W here, it will be your negative. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If temperature is increasing, if temperature increases, then what happens when the temperature is been increasing? Delta U will be equal to positive. Why positive? What is the delta U formula beta? You see delta U is equals to F by 2 R into delta T. F is a
Yes,
constant,
sir.
N is
Yes.
a constant, R is also constant. So if temperature is increasing, obviously the internal energy is also increasing.
Increasing.
Temperature increases, obviously internal energy is increasing. Opposite of
Increase.
again, if temperature is decreasing, if temperature
Negative.
decreases, delta U will be equal to how much beta? Delta U here it will be negative.
Negative.
I hope you got the relations related to this one. So these are the
Yes,
sign
sir.
conditions you need to remember for the given condition. Work done when it is positive, when it is your negative, and as well as of your delta Q when it is positive and when it is your negative particle relation. When heat is supplied, it is positive. When it is rejected, it is negative. When the gas does the work, then work done is positive. When work
Yes,
is done on the gas, then work done will be equal to negative. If temperature increases, then delta U is positive. If temperature decreases, delta U will be your negative.
Negative.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lot implications of this one, but as today is my relation, so let us try to go only for the basic things which are being related to this one. Okay, now let us
Okay.
talk about some basic question related to this one. I hope you are clear with this one, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, chalo. So this question is really very good question. So let us try to see this question better. Like say I got right now some 2 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas. Ideal monoatomic gas which say undergoes a cyclic process. Which undergoes a cyclic process. Okay. Now, if I'm telling you that the path of the process, like say from 3 to, sorry, this is a diagram I need to give for this one. This one is like 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 is say for example elliptical. Okay, so now
Yes.
the question is in this one. The question is heat given to the system. Heat given to the system in elliptical process. In elliptical process is. This is the question. I'll give the diagram for you. This one. So diagram is something like this. Okay, and somewhere on y-axis and your x-axis, this is your pressure and this one is your volume. Okay, and this is some process here right now up to this one like this, and there are some points which have been given here beta. This is one point here. This is your pressure. This one is P0 by 2. Okay, and this is some process right now. This one is given for me as a phi of P0. This one is your P0. Okay, so this is the condition, and yeah. Okay. From here to here, this is a cyclic process. Okay, so this is your process 1. This is the first process. This is your second one, and this is your circular path beta, exactly circular path. And the pressure here, whatever I'm taking here, it is nothing but for me 2 times of your P0. It comes here right now. Again, this is an arrow mark right now for me, and here the volumes are given for me. Here the volume is nothing but V0, and here the volume is nothing but of your 2 times of your V0. Okay, this is 2, and here it is nothing but of your 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
See the diagram for the first. So what is the given condition? We got 2 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas which undergoes a cyclic process. the path of the process from 2 to 3, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, 3 to 4, that means this will be your 4. 3 to 4 is an elliptical path. Now you know the area of an elliptical will be equal to how much beta? Pi into AB.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Pi into your AB. That is 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 is an elliptical process. You try to remember that one given condition. Now what is asking is heat given to the system in the elliptical process only is how much? Heat given in the elliptical process is equals to your how much part? Now can you tell me what is an elliptical process in this one? Elliptical process is from 2 to 3 only beta. Okay. Now what is asking
Yes,
in the heat given to the system in the elliptical process? So if I take from 2 to 3, from it to 2 to 3, what is happening to the volume beta? Volume is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Increasing. Volume has been increasing. So what is that
Yes, sir.
increase in the volume? See, if I'm drawing from the diagram itself, if I take from here to here this one, here to here this one, so this is exactly at the center.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? So exactly at the center means V0 and 2V0 యొక్క మధ్యల point. And ఇదంతా అవుతుంది మనకు 1.5 times of your V0. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Now, if I'm talking about your area of this one beta, what is asking heat given to the system? Heat given to the system will be only between what process beta? Is it from 2 to 3 or 3 to 4? So in
2 to
3
3,
to
sir.
4, the pressure is decreasing. That means it is rejecting there.
Yes, sir.
Have you got it? So 2 to
Yes,
3,
sir.
3 to 4, if you see it very carefully, if I see it very carefully, see here right now, this part is only the region in which the volume is increasing. That means it is absorbing right now. Here it is nothing but heat is given to the system. Whereas in this one, it is been right now, pressure is been decreasing. This will be a rejection process.
Yes, sir.
Your
From 3
rejection
to 4.
because from 1.5 it is coming to your how much right now? See better from the pressure P0 to your 1.5. Then from here to here, if I'm taking the pressure is right now for me decreasing to P0 to your P0.
P0. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now the area if I'm talking about, this is one region and this is your another region in which we need to calculate for the elliptical process. Have you got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the heat formula beta? Just now I told you heat given to the system will be equal to how much beta? Kinetic theory of gases la min already నేర్చుకున్నారు. Delta Q will be equal to how much beta? N into C into your delta T. I hope you remember this one.
Yes, sir.
Delta
Yes,
Q
sir.
is equal to N into C into delta T. That means delta Q from your 2 to 3 will be equal to your, that will be equal to how much for me beta? Delta U from your 2 to 3 plus of your work done from your 2 to 3. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Thermodynamics.
Okay, sir.
So Q is equals to your du plus of your dw. Only from 2 to 3 process. Only from 2 to 3 process because heat given to the system is asking. When is heat given to the system positive? When is heat is
Heat-
given to the system? I just given the system right now.
Heat is supplied. Heat is
Supplied, then
supplied.
only it will be positive. When heat
Yes,
is
sir.
rejected, Q will be your negative.
Negative.
For heat is been rejected. That is the reason I'm not taking that process. So only 2 to 3 will be the process in which heat is being supplied. It is given to the system. That means you need to calculate right now internal energy from 2 to 3 and you need to calculate the work done from your 2 to 3 part of relation. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Let me write it still more carefully. So if I'm writing this one as of your delta Q right now for this one, delta Q will be equal to your N into CV into delta T because delta U is always equal to what beta? N into CV into delta T. I hope you remember that one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will be equal to what beta? Can you tell me? Work done from 2T3. Work done from your 2 to 3. Work done from 2 to 3 will be what? Area of this ellipse plus area of this rectangle.
The rectangle. Yes, sir.
So can I say here
Yes, sir.
right now? That will be equal to your right now. This will be your area of your ellipse. Area of your ellipse plus
Yes,
your
sir.
area of your rectangle.
Rectangle.
I hope you're clear with this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your delta Q. This is delta Q is equal to N into CV into delta T plus we need to calculate the area of an ellipse plus area of your rectangle and do the calculations. Everything will be easy right now. Number of moles I don't know, so I'm taking it as of your N. What type of a process it is in monoatomic? The gas what is telling-
Monoatomic. Yes, sir. Monoatomic.
Monoatomic delta CV will be equal to how much beta? 3R by over 2. I hope you remember.
Yes,
CV
sir.
will be equal to how much beta? CV is equals to number of degrees of freedom divided by your R. This is your basic formula for CV. For monoatomic
Yes,
gas, F will be number of degrees of freedom will be equal to how much beta? 3 kada?
Answer.
So it
Yes,
is
sir.
3 into R by your 2. That's what I have written right now. Now delta T will be equal to how much beta? From where to where will be delta T beta? Can you tell me? Delta T will
From
be
V naught.
T to your T3. T3 minus of T2. Antena?
On this.
Yes, sir.
Area of an ellipse. What is an area of ellipse? Pi into your A into B.
Pi AB. Yes.
Into your B. Now see from the figure, it will be equal to how much beta? P will
Pi
be
into-
equal to how much right now? From your 2 to 3, if I'm writing, here the pressure will be equal to how much for me beta? P into V. Isn't
Yes.
it? That is your 1.5. That is nothing but 3 by 2 into your 2P naught. ఎంత అవుతుంది? 3 by 2
Wait.
V naught into your 2 into your P naught. This P naught, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So this is
3 V
3
naught.
P naught into V naught. That means at this position it is how much for me? 3 P naught into V naught. Is that point clear for me?
Yes. Sir.
Yes,
At
sir.
4, what will be the answer beta? At 4 it will be equal to how much beta? 2 P naught V naught.
Okay. Sir.
2 P naught V naught.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా? From 3 to 4 if I am coming right now. Here it is nothing but 2V naught and pressure is equal to how much for me? 2V P naught. See here 2V naught and P naught. So it will be equal to how much for me? 2P naught into your V naught part of place. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what will be the area of an ellipse beta? Area of your ellipse, how do
Pi
you
AB.
write one? So it will
Pi
be
AB.
pi by over 4 into your P naught into your V naught by 2.
Yes.
Pi is equals to your A into B. Semi-major axis
into-
and minor axis. అంతే కదా?
On this.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Pi by 4 into P naught into V naught by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ellipse అయితే pi into AB. Now we are taking only 1 by 4 path కదా? So
Yes,
pi
yes,
by 4 into P naught into volume ఎంత అక్కడ నుంచి అక్కడ వరకు 2 to 3 volume will be equal to how much for me? 1.5. This will be equal to how much for me? That is 3 by 2 minus of your V naught. That will be equal to how much for me? Your V naught by your 2. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me
Let's-
area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle means the one which have drawn with your straight lines.
Yes, sir.
So
Two.
what
Yes,
One
sir.
minute.
rectangle right now? This will be P naught into your
V naught. V naught.
V naught by 2. అంతే కదా?
Yes,
This
sir.
Yes, sir.
1.5 కదా? 1.5 minus V naught. అంటే this will be equal to how much for me? 0.5 కదా?
On sir. Point.
Yes, sir.
5 అంటే V naught by 2 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
P naught into, I can write this one as what right now? This one is your P naught into, this one is
V
V
naught
naught by your
By 2. Yes, sir.
in the any
Yes, sir.
you have done any calculation, you can check it out. Nothing, no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are given for me the relation. Has he given any number of moles? 2 moles of an ideal gas అన్నాడు. అంటే number of moles is equal to how much for me or 2?
2.
2. Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number of moles will be equal to your 2. అంతేనా? 2 moles
Yes.
of an ideal gas is undergoing a cyclic process right now for me. So this will be equal to how much? Now tell me, if I'm writing this one in terms of your PV is equals to nRT. Now can I write this one as something like this? This one is equals to 3 by 2. nR into T3, nR into T2 can be written as of your P3 V3 minus of your P2 V2. Any problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. P is equal to nRT.
nRT కదా? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
will become for me how much better? This one is right now here P naught V naught into pi divided by this will become 4 into 2, that will be equal to your 8 plus
Yes,
this
sir.
one is your P naught V naught divided by your 2. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm doing this calculation, see how much I'm getting. This is 3 by 2. 3 P3 is how much better? Where is P3? There. The third point. So that will be equal to how much for me? 3 P naught V naught.
Yes, sir.
This will be
Yes,
your
sir.
3 P naught into V naught minus P2 V2, where at a point of your 2. At a point of your 2 part deflation. That will be how much better? Obviously, it is a P naught into V naught only, no? So
Yes,
here
sir.
your P
Yes,
naught
sir.
into your V naught. P naught into your V naught. So I
P
can
naught.
write directly here P naught into your V naught part deflation. Plus now this one is same again P naught V naught into pi divided by your 8 plus this is your P naught V naught divided by 2 part deflation. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If I simplify this one, see what I'm be getting right now. Can you tell me the answer? So this will be equal to your how much? So it is 3 P naught
Nine.
multiply this one. Total ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు ఇది? 3 P
9
naught.
PV naught.
This one. This will become for me 2. 2 will get cancelled. That means this will become for me 3 P naught V naught.
Yes, sir. Plus PV naught. P naught V naught 5.
This will be equal to your P naught V naught will be equal to how much beta? This will be equal to your how much for me? P naught V naught into pi divided by your 8 plus of your P naught V naught divided by 2. Inga simplify aitada.
Yes,
Can I add
sir.
this 2 beta?
Yes, sir.
ఎంత అవుతున్నది?
24 P naught V naught plus P naught V naught pi plus 4 P naught V naught by 8.
V naught plus P naught V naught divided by 2. ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే
6 P naught V naught by 3 P naught V naught.
V naught plus this one అయినా 3 plus 1 by 2 కదా.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
3 P naught V naught plus అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to your P naught V naught into pi divided by your 8.
8.
అవునా కదా?
Yes,
So
sir.
can I take
Yes, sir.
anything common in this one? This one is a P naught V naught divided by your this one is how much? 2. P naught V naught divided by 2. If I take common, this will become for me 7 plus pi by 4. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your heat rejected in the process. Delta Q is equals to your P naught V naught divided by 2 into 7 of your pi by. Got an idea how to do such type of equations?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It has almost a lot of concept related to this one. You have got everything in this one. Only thing is you need to be a little bit careful about your diagram and areas and positive negative conditions, and everything will be easy for this one basic condition. Is it clear for you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
If you have any doubt, you please let me know.
Yes, sir.
డయాగ్రామ్ లో కానీ ఏదైనా కాన్సెప్ట్ లో కానీ క్లియర్?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now one more question in this one only. Try to see whether you can able to do. Again, it is a little bit of a tricky in the options part, so that is the reason I'm also giving you the options for this one. The question is for me, total heat rejected in one cycle. Such type of questions are very favorite in the advanced, but especially advanced. Maybe mains la adagakapovachu most probably, but for advanced it is really very important. Options for this one is your P naught V naught into 32 minus of your pi divided by your 4. Second option is P naught V naught into 32 plus of your pi divided by your 4. And here the one more option related to this one is P naught V naught into 32 plus of your pi divided by your 8. And fourth option is P naught V naught into 32 minus of your pi divided by your 8. This is a question. Total heat rejected in one cycle. The first thing you should see is from the diagram, you should understand from where the heat has been rejected. That is very important for me. You just tell me from where
3 to 4.
been rejected. That is the thing which I need to get in clear cut idea in that part.
Sir. Can you show the diagram?
Diagram కనిపిస్తుందా? ఇదే diagram continuation. Second.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
From 2 to P, it is no doubt it is given. So there is no
Yes, sir.
rejection. So there is a heat.
No rejection.
Right now heat in this one,
Yes, sir. 3 to 4.
and there is a heat of rejection in this one.
Yes, sir.
Cyclic
Not-
process.
Yes.
I'm not talking about this one. So I can say in this condition. In these two processes, there will be the rejection of heat.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So what is asking in the problem? See the question framing in this one. Heat rejected in one cycle is asking. One cycle means you start from one and come back to the one. Isn't it? You start from
Yes,
one and coming back to the one is your cyclic process, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because you're going in this direction, you're going in this direction, you're going in this direction. Again, arrow mark is given in this direction. So this is your one. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Here heat is being given to the system. 3 to
Yes,
4
sir.
it is rejected.
Rejected.
And 4 to 1
4
also
to-
it is rejected because volume is decreasing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means right now, if I can calculate right now, heat is rejected from your 3 to 1, I can say. 3 to
3
1.
to 1. Yes, sir.
So that I
On,
need
sir.
Yes, sir.
to find that one. So the thing we need to write here is, I'm writing here, you see. So delta Q will be from 3 to 1. That means internal energy from 3 to 1 plus of your work done from your 3 to 1. I hope you got this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the condition. If you know this one, then remaining everything is very, very easy because everything is only right now based upon your
Formulas.
calculation only. Now, if I'm writing internal energy of your 321, that will be equal to how much beta? It is nothing but of your number of moles En. This one is nothing but
NC.
3R by 2 into this one is T1 minus
Delta
of your T3.
T3. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
So
Answer.
temperature is right now from 1, 2, 3. That is delta T I'm writing right now. Isn't it? It is nothing but final temperature minus initial temperature. Final temperature is T1, initial temperature is T3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this will
sir.
be equal to your 3 by 2 into this one is your P1 V1
And,
minus of V1.
T1 minus
One will
T3
be
V3.
3V3. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm writing this one right now, this is 3 by 2. What is P1 beta? Now tell me P1 V1 ante right now at the point number 1. How much it is? How much it is? From your 3 to 1 if you are coming. If I'm coming from 3 to 1,
P naught, P naught.
P1 is nothing but equal to your P naught. V1 will be equal to how much for me? V naught by 2.
Yes, sir.
Antena? Adhamainda?
Yes, sir.
P1,
Other
V1 will be equal to your, this will become for me or how much for me? P naught into V naught divided by 2 minus the P3, V3 will be, P3, V3 already have written here right now, how much? 3 P naught, V naught part. So directly I can write that value here. So it is your 3 P naught into your V
We
naught.
know.
This is a very
Yes,
simple condition. So this will be equal to 3 by 2 into, this will be equal to how much beta? 1 by 2
Minus-
minus 3.
minus 5 by 5.
So much? And the
Minus 5 P naught V naught by 2.
V naught divided by 2.
2.
Antena?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Until 3 5 is a 15 until this will become for me minus of 15 P naught
P
V
naught
naught
V naught by 4.
by 4. So this is what beta internal energy from 3 to 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the internal energy from 3 to. Is it not easy beta? The thing is,
Yes.
see, even the diagram is appearing to be little bit of a critical, even the options are little bit critical, but the way you are approaching it is almost like in a basic thing only. Basic, everything is little bit of your basic things, and you just do the calculations very neatly. Everything will be giving you the answer related to that one. Clear? Now,
Yes,
now
sir.
this is something very important for me. What is the next step we need to calculate?
Work done.
1 work done from 3 to 1. Can any one of you can tell me how do you calculate the work done from 3 to 1? What are they? Work done from 3 to 4 plus work done from 4 to 1.
4
Can I write like
to
that?
1. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Work done from 3 to 4 means what? Area of ellipse.
Ellipse. Yes, sir.
Very good. Then from 3 to 1 if I'm coming means that is area of your rectangle minus area of trapezium J
Ah,
Yes, sir.
That is very important. 4 to 1, 4 to 1, 4 to 1 ante I need to take the area of your rectangle, area of your, this total rectangle minus the area of your trapezium.
yes, sir.
Trapezium కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
Trapezium కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
Sir, right side there, sir.
Yeah. Total area of the rectangle నుంచి తీసేయాలి. అవునా కదా? చూడు. How do you
Okay,
write?
sir.
So if I'm writing this one right now here, work done from your 3 to 1 will be equal to work done for me to come from 3 to 4 plus work done for me to come from your 4 to 1. Is it clear? That means
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it is nothing but what beta? It is your area of your ellipse. This is your area of your ellipse plus your area of your rectangle. Sorry, this one is how much right now? 3 to 4. 3 to 4 part of relation. It will be your area of your ellipse plus of your area of your rectangle. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then minus area of what?
Area of trapezium.
Trapezium.
Isn't it? Now let us try to
Yes.
simplify this one. Area of your ellipse will be equal to your how much from?
Pi AB.
So again, this is pi by 4
Pi.
into P naught. Volume will be equal to V naught by 2 plus area of rectangle will be equal to P naught V
P
naught.
naught V naught by 2.
Okay, minus area
Yes,
of trapezium will be equal to how much beta? Half into this will be equal to how much for me? See the triangle part of relation trapezium, that will be equal to how much beta? 1.5. That is nothing but 3 by 2 P naught V naught. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 of V naught into your P naught. And this will be equal to your how much right now for me here? I can write this one. half into this is your 3 P naught by your 2 into your V naught. Any doubt in this one? ఇక్కడ
No.
వరకు
No, sir.
is it clear up here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
యాడ్ చేస్తూ బేటా ఇది ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడండి ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది పీ నాట్ వి నాట్ పై బై 4 ప్లస్ పీ నాట్ వి నాట్ బై 2 ఎంత అవుతుంది అది పీ నాట్ వి
V
నాట్
naught by 8.
డివైడెడ్ బై ఎంత
8. Yes, sir. Plus 4 P V naught V naught.
This will be equal to your P naught V naught divided by your 2 minus this will be equal to how much beta? This one will be 3 P naught
P naught V naught by 4.
isn't it? So that
Yes,
means if I am simplifying this one, what I can write this 2 if I can add this one, this will be your P naught V naught into pi divided by 8 if I am opening the bracket. This will become for me P naught V naught divided by 4. Chinda,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
clear? Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Akka?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we need to calculate next step? So we got right now this one. This one is the work done from your 3 to 1. This is the work done from your 3 to 1. So what we need to calculate? Heat together. So delta Q from 3 to 1 will be equal to your. So this value, above value is how much we got better right now, internal energy, minus 15 P naught.
15 P naught V naught by 4.
It is minus of 15 P naught V naught divided by 4 plus this value is how much? E value and this
P naught V naught.
plus this one is P naught V naught pi divided by 8 minus P naught V naught divided by 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simplify.
Yes, sir.
ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు ఇది
Minus
And
6.
this one
Minus 16 P naught V naught.
naught pi divided by 8 as it is. అవునా కదా
Minus 6. Yes, sir. Minus 16 P naught.
P naught V naught by 4 minus and minus of P naught V naught by 4. ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది
Minus
P
16 P
naught,
naught.
P naught, 5 minus
4.
2 by 8.
10 by 4 minus 1 by 4 అంటే ఎంత 4
Yes, sir.
4
Minus 4. Minus. Oh, yes, sir. 4 P naught V naught.
minus of this one is P naught V naught divided by 4 అంతేనా am I doing any calculation mistake?
Sir, minus P naught, V naught, sir.
అవును మైనస్ ఇది ఎంత ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉంది కదా
Yes, sir.
మైనస్ ఆఫ్ 15 P naught ప్లస్ P naught V naught మైనస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్
16.
బ్రాకెట్ అవసరం లేదు
You should write minus 16 P naught V naught by 4.
మైనస్
16 P naught V naught by 4.
16
Yes, sir.
వేర్ బేటా
P naught V naught 5 by 8 minus 16 P naught V naught by 4.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా P naught V naught divided by your 8 minus of 16 అంటే 4 అవుతుంది కదా అది సారీ
Answer.
Yes, sir.
I'll remove this one. Anyhow, doesn't make any much difference. So this will become for me how much? P naught V naught ante I can even remove this one. Even this one, I can write this one as of your 4 times of P naught V naught.
P naught V naught. Yes, sir.
Correct ayinda?
Yes, sir.
Ante delta Q from 3 to 1 will be equal to, I can take P naught V naught common into this will become for me how much beta? Pi
5 minus 4.
32 divided by 8.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Are we clear with the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Any calculation
Yes,
mistake?
sir.
in this one?
No,
No
sir.
mistake.
Mistake in this one? No, na? No, na?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the options? I can check it out. Now, see the first option. P naught V naught 32 minus pi by 4. Is it correct? No.
Yes, sir.
4.
32.
32 minus pi divided by ఎంత
Oh, 8. 8. Sorry.
5 minus 32.
5 minus 30.
5 minus 32. 5 minus 32.
Yes.
5 minus 32 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 5 minus 32 మనకి ఎక్కడ లేదు కదా?
Answer.
అవునా కదా? So now how do you approach the answer? This is really very logic again. total heat rejected in one cycle. We are concerned with the magnitude kada, because pi value is no doubt lesser than 32.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are talking about its magnitude kada. If I'm writing in terms of your magnitude of 3 to 1, that means this can be written as of what beta? P naught V naught divided by this one, it will be 32 minus of your pi divided by 8. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
checking there? This is what he's checking there for us. Okay, how smart you will be there so that you can answer the answer, because he's asking the magnitude of that one. Pi value is right now lesser than the 32, no doubt. So when I'm writing the magnitude, so I can interchange that one and write that one as 32 minus pi. Ante kada
Yes,
nana?
sir. Yes, sir.
Ante, sir.
Are you following my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
అర్థమైంది.
Aర్థమైంది కదా? So this is the one we are getting the answer for this one. So it is P naught V naught 32 minus of your pi. So it is a P naught V naught 32 minus of your pi divided by 8, and the fourth option will be the answer. So this will be your answer.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Vachinda,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is what the beauty of the first law of thermodynamics. This is the way how do we, especially for advanced, the questions have been framed. అదే మెయిన్స్ లా కనుక అయింటే మనం ఇప్పటి వరకు ఒక 10-12 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసేసుకునే వాళ్ళం టక అనుకుంటా, ఎందుకంటే మనకి బేసిక్ ఫార్ములేస్ పైన ఉంటుంది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ దానిపైన, అవునా కదా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే హౌ డు
Yes, sir.
questions on your advanced part and the way you think, and thermodynamics. Remember, but if you're really very serious for an advanced examination, thermodynamics is one of the very important area and scoring topic also, isn't it? The
Yes,
and
sir.
questions also in that one. The concepts are also very small or very less in this one. You need to just interconnect the kinetic theory of gases, thermodynamics part, calorimetry little bit. You should also be very good in your calorimetry part also, because sometimes the calorimetry problems will also be there, and sometimes the springs and with the mechanics applications some models will be there, and also with your heat transfer also. Some heat transfer, like say for example conductivity material when heating conductions, even that connectivity some problems might be framed in the given conditions. I hope you have been able to follow my lecture. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arthamaindi.
Arthamaindi, sir.
Clear? I'm just expecting that you have basic knowledge. That is the reason I've directly entered. Otherwise, for the explanation only, it would have been taking much time. If this is fine for you, this speed is okay, and this type of model questions are also okay with you, then we can try to continue making one proper planning in nearby future. Okay, na? And I'll give you
Okay,
very
కొంచెం
questions for thermodynamics. Very good questions where you really love doing the such type of questions related to the advanced specialty.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your doubt ఉంటే అడగండి. If you have any doubt, you can please ask me.
Okay, sir.
Both of you are from Hyderabad.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ఎక్కడ లోకలా? లోకల్ ఎక్కడ?
అవును సార్.
Yes, sir. Here only.
మాదాపూర్ సార్. మాదాపూర్.
ఓకే ఫైన్, చలో. సో ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
కొంచెం చిన్నగా వెళ్ళండి సార్ స్పీడ్. అది
స్పీడ్ ఉందా?
మరి అంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ మీరు కొంచెం క్యాచ్ చేయడానికి టైం పడుతుంది.
Yes, sir.
అంటే పీ నాట్ అంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ అని కాదు సార్, గ్రాఫ్ గీసిన తర్వాత మీరు పీ నాట్ వి నాట్ ఇవన్నీ రాస్తున్నారు కదా సార్ కాదు.
ఇది ఈ రిలేషన్స్
అవును
Yes, sir. Graph.
ఓకే ఓకే.
అదొక్కటి.
స్టిల్ ఐ హోప్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ కదా గ్రాఫ్స్ కండిషన్స్. చూడండి ఒకసారి.
అవును సార్, ఒకసారి చూసుకోవాలి సార్.
బికాస్ స్క్రీన్ మనకు కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉండదు కాబట్టి కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ డయాగ్రామ్ మన కాన్స్టెంట్ గా పక్కన ఉంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి లిటిల్ బిట్ ఈజీ ఫర్ us.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే చలో. ఓకే బేటా దెన్. అండ్ డిన్నర్ అయిందా?
అయింది.
Okay, fine. So I'm stopping here today's lecture, and see, we'll plan it in the nearby future how we are going according to that conditions. Okay, na?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. Thank you, beta. Take care. Bye.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you, sir.